Good morning, Mark.
Morning, Mark.
It's the dreaded video time. It's bloody awful, I know. Right, Mark, you brought a Mercedes.
Yep.
E350.
E350.
3
yep.
litre diesel. What was it like coming in?
Very lumpy, lots of turbo lag, wouldn't seem to go over 50-60 mile an hour. When you put your foot down, it was intermittent, so you'd either get a lot of power, you'd get none at all. Fuel economy was horrendous, probably running about 15 to 18 mile per gallon, so it wasn't a well car.
So this you knew already had a previous diagnosis as the passenger side bank EGR playing up.
That's right.
So we could have just gone charging ahead, changed the EGR,
yep,
and then hydroflowed it. But we suggested we did the hydroflow first, might cure the problem. So we've just been for a test drive, you're driving it, and
yep,
it appears to have restored.
Oh yeah, it's fantastic. It drives like a brand new car, lots of pickup, nice and smooth, power seems to be there again. Just a fantastic result from an hour's worth of hydroflow. Really good.
Thank you very much, Mark. Cheers.
Brilliant. Thanks, Mark. Cheers.